Hello dear students, thank you for joining me. Students, are you ready to learn something new? Let's get started. Students, do you know why is Y such an amazing letter? Because it makes three different sound. Y makes three different sound: I, E, Y. And today we are going to learn about I sound. When Y is at the end of one consonant, it takes the long vowel sound I. For example, buy, b-I, buy. My, m-I, my. Usually in a single syllable, when Y is at the end of the word, Y makes I sound. In the second step, when Y is at the end of a digraph, it makes the long vowel sound I. Cry, I, cry. Fry, I, fry. I, shy. I, why. For more I sound, you have to wait for upcoming video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.